Welcome back to our channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, your time. Thank you guys for your continued support. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Turn on the bell for more video. Welcome our new members to the old ones. God bless you. If you're passing by, please join us as you're supporting us. May the Lord support you in everything you lay your hands. Amen. Guys, this is the update of the court case of those people that were arrested in Sunday Igboho's house. The DSS refused to turn them in. Please watch. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn your bell off for more video. Please watch. Country people like Britona, this now BBC Pidgin, and we there for the Federal High Court where Justice Obiora just finished to hear the case of Yoruba Nation activist Sunday Igboho AIDS case, where then they try to release them on bail. Now the Federal High Court premises be this, and the case the judge don't adjourn the case to 2nd of August. He adjourn the case because they no bring the aids to court as in be order before they adjourn the case to today. So the lawyer they with me here, and he would like to tell us some of the things where the justice talk. Oga, how the case go today?
Oh yeah, thank you. The court sat and the court wasn't comfortable because the respondents, which is the DSS, have refused to comply with the court order. They have refused to produce the applicant before the court. And so the court has frowned against such disposition, and the court has now ordered them again to please bring all the applicants before the court on Monday, that's the 2nd of August. So we are hopeful that we'll be in court and we'll be able to engage such matter. We cannot encourage the DSS to continue to flagrantly disobey court order. There is no institution that is bigger than the courts, that is more important than the courts in Nigeria as I speak today. Every institution of government is entitled to obey court order, is duty bound to obey court order. And also, the constitution is the supreme, and it's the constitution that empowers the court to take actions on matters like this. The applicants were wrongfully arrested and they've come to seek the refuge of the court. And so the court has ordered that they should be produced on Monday, and on Monday we shall engage them to ensure that these people are released. Last week Friday, the court order say make them bring the aids to court today, but they disobey the order. They no see bring them to court. Wetin be the reason where the DSS gave? They could not give any reason. They were giving excuses. You see, the DSS was attempting to convert the hollow chamber of the court into a football field, and they are seemingly passing excuses and raising excuses that are lame, that is not strong in law. But the court has re-emphasized that the court order is the court order, and that the DSS must obey the court order. So we believe that the DSS has no reason not to obey the court order, and by Monday we want to see the applicant to be shown to the whole world. We want to know what is going on with the applicant. Justice Obiora to still talk say make DSS grant on access to these people. How that one go take help your case between now and Monday? It will help our case because there's a need for us to interview the people who are arrested, who are in detention, so that we can know the extent of how we can assist them in seeking justice. But DSS, in an attempt to cover up a lot of their wrongdoings, have refused to allow us access to these people. But the court has emphasized now, and the court has actually ordered that the DSS should grant us access to them. And so we're seeing them today, and when we see them, we'll be able to interview them. We understand their state of mind to be able to encourage them that justice is near. Abeg Oga, I go soon let you go, but answer this last question. For inside court there, then they argue about disparities for their names. You see, there's nothing that you can rely on that is coming from the DSS today. The DSS that could not even respect court order, the DSS that has refused to produce these people before the court, they can't come with the excuses that some of the names we have are quite different from the names they have. Until DSS allow these people to come public, until we allow access to them, that is when the issues as to discrepancies of their names will be resolved. Thank you, Oga. Thank you very much. All right, I don't hear from the lawyer to the 12 Sunday Igboho aids where the DSS custody till now. They never still release them. So this court case, then they come to seek the judge to grant them bail. But the judge will be Justice Obiora Egwatu talk say the case no go fit proceed until in see the people for court. So now the matter now we they talk so the judge can also adjourn the case till Monday will be August 2nd. So by that August 2nd, we dey hope say then go the DSS go obey
court order to bring the appellants to court. 12 of them, according to as the lawyer tell me, we go expect them on Monday, August 2. So between Friday and Monday, the judge talk say make the DSS grant the lawyers permission to go see these people, to talk with them, to yarn with them, to know the issues where then they face, and then the rest of that. But for inside court today, the DSS they talk say when the judge asks wetin make the appellant no dey court, the DSS representative talk say investigation dey ongoing, say they no go fit bring them come court. They can also talk say their names they different, the names where they their list and the names of the people where DSS carry, some of the names no correspond. So because of that, they no fit identify the aids will be really Sunday Igbo aids because of the disparities where they for their name. So now so the matter be today, would expect say by Monday, as the judge talk, the DSS go obey court order, because today they're supposed to come, the DSS disobey court order. So the judge, as in there for court today, the para say why DSS go disobey in court order. And the lawyer come follow tell us say now since July 2, where they arrest these people, 9 days for DSS custody. Now remember say then some are accused for these people, say when they go Sunday Igbo house, they see some kind things like gun, some kind things too, we can join this in AIDS body to Sunday Igbo. As we talk now, the matter it get as it be. So we go wait until Monday, make we see whether DSS go obey court order, bring them to court, make the judge face the case squarely, because judge say until he using two korokoro eye see them for court, they no go fit go forward with this case. So from the things where we dey see, if DSS continue to dey stubborn, judge self say he no go look the way of the case until DSS obey the court order. He won't using two korokoro eye see the people for court by himself before this case fit make progress. So we dey hope say by Monday, will be August 2, where they adjourn the case go, the people go come court and the judge go start the hearing proper, can give in ruling whether they go grant them bail or not, because the lawyer say in the request for bail whether it be conditional or unconditional. Wetin want be say they arrest their people unconditionally. So it mean they pray to the court, may the court release them, whether conditionally or unconditionally. So now the matter now we dey so. Now so it take happen for Court 9, Federal High Court, Abuja, where Justice Obiora Egwatu handled the matter of the 12 Yoruba Nation activists Sunday Igboho aides with the arrest. Now the case now carry us come here. So country people, now so it be, we go come back on Monday to come they follow the matter to tell Anna as the case they go. In case you just join us, this is BBC Pidgin, and we come to you live from Federal High Court, Abuja, where Justice Obiora Egwatu been the torchlight the case of the 12 Yoruba Nation activists Sunday Igboho aides where the DSS custody since July 2. And the lawyer thought say in the come pray to the judge, may then release them whether conditionally or unconditionally. But last week Friday, where they come before they adjourn the case to today, Justice Obiora talk say he won't see the aides for court within two korokoro eye. In order say made DSS, made the DG of DSS produce them, making use in two korokoro eye, see them for court. But the DSS disobey court order because the aides no come court. So the judge come dey para say why DSS go disobey court order. He come adjourn the case to August 2. Say until he using two korokoro eye, see the people where DSS arrest for court before this case go fit go forward. So the DSS people tell the judge say they no fit bring them come court because then they undergo investigation. So as then they undergo investigation, they no go fit bring them come court. Secondly, say the letter where they write to them, the names of the people where their custody no match with the names where they for the letter, so they no fit identify some of them. Now the judge can say okay, between Friday make them correct everything where they need to correct, but he won't be say he won't see them for court before this matter will make progress. So as I tell Anna before, he adjourned the case to August 2. We go come back on Monday, will be August 2, can still follow this matter as it go. This is BBC Pidgin. We will continue to bring an update as things they happen around the country.
We do not believe that there is any agency or any institution that is above the court. So they are duty bound to obey the court. And the court has emphasized the order. The court has mandated the DSS to produce all the applicants on Monday. And so this is progress for us, and we are glad about it.
Discrepancies about the names on your list and their list.